Archimedes was a famous mathematician from the ancient Greece, and he lived around 2000 before our time. He was famous for proving geometric by using circles. An example of this is the angle at the center theorem. Angle at the center theorem is very good to use when you want to, for example, describe my angle. When I do this, or this. No, the angle at the center theorem is not much used nowadays because the computer do all the work.
I'm gonna prove that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So let's watch this, guys. It's incredible. The math is incredible. Okay, we have drawn the diameter, so we know that A2 is equal to A1, and A3 is the same of A2 because those are both radium, and we know that B2 is equal to A3 plus A2. So B2 is equal to A1 plus A2. Now we know that B2 is equal to B1, and so we know that B is twice A.
We want to try to say that every triangle with two points on the diameter of circle and the last point on the circumference is always a right triangle. Okay, so AB is the diameter of the circumference, but we can also think about A, O, B as an angle of 180 degrees. So for the theorem that we know, that Marco say, the angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. So if A, O, B is 180, A, B is 90 degrees. So the triangle A, B is a right triangle because this angle is 90 degrees.
We can use the things we learned from Marco and see that this circumference angle and this circumference angle are the same because they are on the same arc. We can also see that this circumference angle and this are on the same arc too, so therefore they are also the same. We know from the opposite law that these angles are the same, and also that these angles are the same. Now I'm going to prove that the angles A plus C is equal to 180 degrees and the angles B plus D is also equal to 180 degrees.